What is up, guys? Tony this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy GTA 5 on Steam. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam, or you can type in steampower.com. After that, you will be redirected to the official website of Steam, wherein on the right side at the top you will see the option of login. When you log in, you will have two options to sign up and log in. So if you are new to Steam, simply sign up with your email password and the credentials to create your new Steam account. But if you already have a Steam account, you can just simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged in to your Steam account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you will see the option to install Steam. Click on that button and install the Steam application. And after that, when you install the Steam application, this type of dashboard will appear. From here on the right side in the search bar, click it once and then type GTA 5. And after that, you will see this Ambition Taishi. This is the version of GTA 5. As you can see, I have searched for GTA and it showed me Grand Theft Auto 5 Enhanced. From here, I'll just pause this video. From here, you just scroll a bit down and click on Add to Cart. And when you click on Add to Cart, the game will be added to your cart. And after that, if you want to purchase some more games, click on Continue Shopping or click on View My Cart. And as you can see, I have added it two times by mistake. And this is my cart wherein I have purchased the GTA 5 enhanced version. And from here, I'll click on Continue to Payment from the right side. And after that, I will register a payment gateway from which I will pay for this game. As you can see, when you click on add a payment, from there you need to choose a payment method like a payment gateway, which is Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, credit card, debit card, net banking, or prepaid wallet. You can choose any one from these and then type in your information and click on continue. And after that, you can purchase GTA 5. So this is how you can purchase GTA 5 on Steam. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.